Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of the RPG Framework tutorial series. In today's tutorial, we're going to add attack and chase behavior to our enemy AI. By the end of this video, you'll have an enemy character that can detect the player when they enter its field of view, chase them down, and perform attacks. We'll be working entirely in blueprints for this session, making it easier to follow along step by step. Let's dive in and get started. Expand Content Browser, find Enemy Behavior Tree and open it. First, click on Has Line of Sight Decorator and change Observer Aborts to Lower Priority. Click on Move to Task. Increase Acceptable Radius to 500. This will ensure that enemy does not move too close to the player. "500 seems to be too much, let's lower this distance to 300. Now we will create a logic that checks if target is in melee range. If yes, AI-controlled actor will attack this target, if not, actor will chase its target. First, create new service. Name it BTS_set distance to target. Place it in new folder, name it Services. Here we need to override Receive Tick AI event. We should calculate distance between controlled pawn and target actor from Blackboard. Then compare this distance with some parameterized value that will represent melee range. Finally, store the comparison value into Blackboard. Now go back to Behavior Tree. Here we will add two sequences. select the left one and rename it to Attack. Rename right one to Chase. Now right-click on Selector. Add service we have just created. For target actor key, select target actor. For target is in melee range key, we don't have key to select. Let's create new Boolean Blackboard key. Name it, target is in melee range. Now go back to behavior tree and select this newly created key for target is in melee range. Leave 300 for melee range. Rename this selector to Attack or Chase. Now connect this move to task to chase sequence. Let's add attack behavior. First, create new task. Name it BTT_melee attack. Place it in new folder. Name it Tasks. Here we need to override event received execute AI. Thanks to our previous implementation of the melee attack trough interface, this blueprint becomes very simple. Go back to behavior tree. Add attack task under attack sequence. Then add wait task after it. Set wait time to 3. In order to have more unpredictable attack rate, you can set random deviation to 1. This will ensure that our enemy waits to launch next attack between 2 and 4 seconds. Now we need to ensure that attack is happen only when target is in melee range. To do this, add Blackboard-based decorator to attack sequence. For Blackboard key select, target is in melee range. Set observer aborts to lower priority. Rename decorator to target is in melee range. Let's play this. Enemy is not attacking because we need to equip it with some weapon and give it melee ability. Open enemy blueprint. For now we will just copy code for equipping sword from player blueprint and paste it to enemy begin play event. Later, when we add support for different weapons, we will refactor this part. Now search for melee ability and select sword and shield ability we created in some of the previous videos. Play it. Now we can see that enemy is attacking our player. However, this distance that enemy stops around actor is too long. Go back to behavior tree. Add one move to task before melee attack. Set acceptable radius to 200. This will ensure that enemy moves closer to the target before attacking. Now enemy is attacking and chasing the player based on distance between them. Currently, enemy performs an montage that has slow motion notifiers we have created for player before. Let's change this. Duplicate sword and shield attack ability. Rename it to G.A. Enemy, Sword and Shield Attack. For the animation montage, we can use this Sword and Shield Attack V3. This one doesn't have slow motion notifiers. Also, this montage doesn't have weapon trace notifiers. Add them on each attack section in order to deal damage. Now play this. You can see that new montage is played and damage is performed on our player. We have one more thing to fix. When player is dead, our enemy continues to attack it. For this purpose we will use is alive function we created before. Go back to enemy behavior tree. Make new decorator. Name it actor is alive. Place it in new folder. Name it Decorators. Override Perform Condition Check AI. Here get the actor object from Blackboard and call is alive function Trough Warrior interface. Go back to Behavior Tree. Add this decorator to Attack or Chase selector. For actor key, select Target Actor. Rename it to Target is Alive. Change Observer Aborts to Self. Now enemy will stop attacking player once player is dead. Also, we should stop behavior tree execution if enemy is dead. Add one selector node below AI root node. Connect this to it. Add actor is alive decorator to new selector. This time we should check if self actor is alive. For observer aborts, select self. This will ensure that behavior tree will not continue executing once enemy is dead. You can check this with Debugger UI. Here on the left side you can see current behavior tree tasks. When enemy is dead, there is no tasks that are performing. This is how complete enemy behavior tree should look. One more thing I would like to change is enemy appearance. Go to Enemy Blueprint. Find Skeleton Mesh Materials. Duplicate this 2 material instances. Open each of them and update tint value to red color. Save and assign them to material slots in enemy blueprint. Now enemy should be colored in red. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos, where we'll go even further into AI tactics and strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.